Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we will learn about alphabetical order. Children, are you familiar with these letters which I had written inside the cloud? Let's read with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, how many letters are there in English alphabet? Do you know? There are 26 letters in English alphabet and the order is like this. A, then B, then C, then D. You know this order very well. So what is alphabetical order? The order in which A, B, C, D are arranged is called alphabetical order. Children, now let's take an example to make the topic more clear to you. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Here are some names of insects: caterpillar, ant, bee, moth and grasshopper. You have to arrange these names in alphabetical order. So how we will do it? First, we will underline the first letter of each word. Right? Here in caterpillar, we will underline the first letter, which is C. Then in ant, we will underline A. Then in bee, we will underline B. In moth, we will underline M. And in grasshopper, we will underline the first letter, which is G. Then we will see the order. Right? Here the first letter is C, then A, then B, then M, then G. We will arrange these letters in this order. Okay, by following this order. So, first, what we will write according to this order? Which letter comes first? A comes first. So, first we will write ant. Now, leaving this word, we will again look at the other words, which is caterpillar, bee, moth and grasshopper. Again, we will see the first letter. Then, again we will follow the same rule. So, which word is next then? Next alphabet is B, which comes first, right? So, we will write B. Now, same caterpillar, moth and grasshopper. Then, which letter comes first? C, M or G? C comes first. So, we will write caterpillar next. Now, next grasshopper and moth. G and M. So, which letter comes first? M or G? G comes first. So, we will write grasshopper next. And the last one, which is left, is moth. We will write that word. So, this is the arrangement of these words according to alphabetical order. Now, let's take another example. Here are some names of months. You have to arrange these names in alphabetical order. So, same tip here also. We have to underline the first letter of each word. Right? Now, again here is A, then J, then again J, A, D and M. Now, children, what you find here? There are two words with same letter, same first letter. So, how we will do then? What we will do? We will underline the next letter then. Okay? U, here also U, here also U, then P. Right? In August and in April, A is same and A comes first. Then what we will do? We will compare the second letter. Here it is U and here it is P. So U comes first or P comes first? When we write A to Z, P comes first. So we will write April first. And then we will write August. So this we have done. Now next is J, J again, D and M. So we will again see J, D and M. Which letter comes first? Look here. D comes first. So we will write December. Now J and N. So which letter comes first? J. Now here again same problem. J is common, right? Then again what I have told you, you will underline the second letter of the word. Again U is same. Then what you will do? You will underline, you will see the next letter of the word. Here it is N and here it is L. So N come first or L come first? See, L come first. So that means we will write July after December. And then we will write June. So June and July. Now next, which word is left? We have done December also. Last is May. So we will write May. So in this way, we will arrange these words in alphabetical order. Hope you have understood the topic. So children, revise the rules daily. How to arrange these words in alphabetical order so you can use dictionary quickly and efficiently. Thank you. God bless you.